Looking to order customized lunchboxes in small quantities? Head down to shop.dillicpackaging.com. Once you reach this page, hover your cursor over customized packaging and you will have a drop down which goes down to customize top flip lunchboxes. Click on it and you will be headed in to this page. Choose the size of your lunchbox that you're looking at. Click on it and you will see the sizes involved as well as the pricing, which is located at the bottom. Once you have decided, click Add to Cart, View Cart, proceed to checkout. The moment you do that, an email will be sent to you to ask you for your artwork. We can help you place your completed artwork onto the box for you to approve before we hit for print.